Good evening, dear Monginites. Last year, we decided to implement the refrigerated vans project. So I am very happy to inform you that 65% of our vans in Andheri factory and 25% of the vans in the Delicia Foods factory are up and running. 10 more vans of Delicia Foods are in the pipeline, and after that, the balance Andheri vans will be taken up. This is done primarily to live up to the wow factor, because if I cannot give you the product what you see on the shelf here in a condition which is as displayed, then all the effort is lost. So to support that effort, we have decided to go for the refrigeration project. Now I am talking about the reduction of cake complaints in the month of May, which is the most critical month for us. So we have, by investing in this cold chain strategy, our cracks complaints have come down drastically, specifically in the special sales category, which has a very major impact on our customers. But due to the new infrastructure at our factory level, we have got the following results. The last year in May, small and large gate defects due to heat cracks was 128. This year it is down to 35. The overall reduction is 72%. Last year in May, the special shade defects due to the heat were about 77. This year is down to 7. Overall reduction of 91%. Hopefully by next year, when all the vans are refrigerated, we should have zero defect. Delicia Foods, Bhiwandi, is now a HACCP certified company and aspiring to become an ISO 22000 company. They have achieved this in a feat of less than a year, and they have assured me that if by next year they will get the ISO 22000, what Mongini's factory took 5 years to achieve, they hope to do it in 1 year. Best of luck. We have a few Surat franchisees with us, and for them, Surat has started the HACCP preparations and will become a HACCP certified company next year. This year, we have displayed 22 products for 9 specific occasions for your feedback. We encourage you to kindly plan your seasonal requirements and give us your estimates to enable our back-end operations to action out the designs, the packaging, the posters, banners, to ensure that the seasonal offering reaches you well before and ensure that adequate stocking takes place at your shops. So I request all my Monginites to kindly come in early for this meeting, to give yourselves sufficient time for viewing and sharing and interacting with us. What are your thoughts on what we are going to give you in the next year to come? For those of you who have come late and for those who could not click the photographs, don't worry, we'll be sending you a CD containing the images of all the cakes which are displayed today. Inspiration. As you entered, you saw 2 banners. The heroes of today's display is the inspiration range of cakes. We believe that a brand must be available for all levels of society through multiple price points and different levels of appeal. We discovered that the super premium range of Rs 750 per kg was lacking in our portfolio, and to address this gap, we have launched the inspiration range of cakes. To differentiate this category, we need to do a few things. First is change the way it is to be perceived, displayed. By this I mean is that, first of all, it is how we and you perceive the product. If you have high esteem for the product, then the final customer will see that esteem in your eyes and will value the product. How will you display the product? You will not display it with the rest of the rest of the cakes which are there. Otherwise, it will become a commodity like them. So you have to display it in a special way, either by giving it a special corner, or by highlighting it, or by giving a stand. That creativity I give to you. But please remember, you have to display it a little differently than the other products. Now we have got a reusable cake plate which is 100% pure melamine. This dish is given to enhance the look of the product, to enhance the value of the product, and is specially made for us by an export oriented company and will last a long time. And our purchase department has been given a challenge for a still superior product which is called Sal, which is actually a plastic but it has a glass effect. Then we need to have a distinctive packaging, which is the cake box, which is an aesthetic design for gifting. It's made with a special FFP board, which is oil fat resistant and water resistant. This range will now be a giftable offering as compared to the self-consumption category that we are today dealing in. We'll be giving you 6 variants in the egg and pure veg category. Here are some of the photographs of the product I am showing you. As you see, the products are containing a lot of goodies inside besides the finish on top. Morning dew, sachet, after 8, Swiss, Belgian cocoa. Before we launch this product officially to all of you, we had done a trial, we had done net practice with a few of our franchisees, and after receiving their valuable feedback, we have modified certain of these products to make it more relevant to the market. I am very happy to inform you that those trial shops that we are given the opportunity to sell are now taking orders up to 10 kgs. Some are given 8 kgs, and the demand is just incredible. We will be launching this on 7th of June. Continuing with the wow factor, ways to celebrate. Now creating new models of wedding cakes to enhance the way of celebration, which comes once in a lifetime. We have got 3 offerings here: royal wedding, fruit wedding, and forever together. Now these cakes are made of European marzipan and are accepted as the gold standard internationally. We believe that 5,250 is a very small price to pay for a celebration of once in a lifetime. We will be launching this on 1st of July this year. Now we come to the Kids Mania. As Mr. Gole has said, that there has been a noticeable shift from being a child-oriented company to an adult or a youngster-oriented company. Yes, it is true, but we cannot ignore our young customers, our tiny tots who have made us famous over the years. So for them, we have got Train of Joy, Gift Basket, My Mascot, and as you see, today is the age of 3D, there is 3G, there is 3D movies with spectacles, 3D television, everything is moving in 3D. Even scams take place in 3D. So in this era of 3G and 3D, we will be innovating 3D cakes for our future generations. These child-specific cakes will fill the need of our tech-savvy kids who are demanding the latest gizmo, the latest gadgets. Now we come to a taste platform where a lot of our franchisees have requested us that why not have cakes with combination, combine flavors and give. So to satisfy that need, we are coming out with range of combination cakes, grapes honey, fig and honey, grapes and orange, peach, apricot, mango, kesar. All cakes in premium range to satisfy with our exclusive customers with various companies such as dry foods, fruits, chocolates and custards. I'm going too fast because I'll be giving you a CD of this which you can go through at ease. Then we come to the rolls, croissants and bread section. Cinnamon rolls, butter croissants, specialty breads. These are the latest inputs which are required by the customers. So to be in touch with what the youngsters need, we are coming out with these products. Then we have rich and chewy cookies, choco fudge and mango cashew cookies. These premium cookies will be packaged in those PET containers which are reusable and helps to keep the cookies chewy. Then we have something for the health conscious. We have sugar-free donuts and buns, along with the sugar-free cookies that we had launched last year. This partially completes the health platform. And for all of us who are our eggless consuming customers, all our eggless cakes, packaged and regular, contain European cheese whey, which are the best proteins for health discovered by mankind. So with this quality of inputs that we give, we are sure that we are probably giving the best quality in the country. Then we come to Yogistan, the taste of Italy, where we have got tarts, focaccias, pastas, club sandwiches available in both non-veg and veg. And this global cuisine for our young customers will definitely please them. With this, I wish you all happy selling.